Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on All Services next to Recommended. Click on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, my sweater and all of those features are gray. That means that Autofill is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same sweater again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!